Hi, we are going to get started with our 10 days of basics. What this is a sort of a 2-week crash course in how to use your oils, what they can be used for, who they can be used on, and why they work. And so it's going to be chunks of video, and we do have a text-based 10 days of basics class, and so if you'd like the website for that, I'll post that in the links below. And then we also have, it's way more fun to do this with friends, and so we also do this on our group Facebook page. So if you are on our team, then you'll be able to do that with our Facebook page group, and then we'll be able to comment and get tips and ideas from each other, and it's just super fun. So we're going to get started on day 1 for our 10 days of basics. Whoop, whoop. So you have already gotten your kit, right? Your boxes already came in the mail. You've probably watched my full box opening video. So if you haven't watched that full box opening video, go watch it. It's under an hour. Like, it's not that big a deal. You can watch it while you drive or do dishes or whatever. In case you haven't, I'm going to wrap some of that information into our 10 days of basics, but not all of it. And so it's going to be very low key for the 10 days of basics, okay? So basically, you're going to do 3 things every day. You're going to have homework because I'm a teacher. My name is Amy. I've taught everything from elementary to college, and this is what I'm passionate about, teaching the most, even though I love history and all of that stuff, and I homeschool my 2 daughters, and I teach high school from home. Teaching about health and wellness is my jam, so this is what I love. So thank you for being here and letting me teach and love on you. So day 1, are you ready? First thing you're going to do is you're going to take your oils out of the box. And I know that may be difficult because your box is so pretty. Our box is made by the same people that make the Apple boxes, and so it's very sturdy, and you can actually stand up your oils from your box. I'll show you how to do that in the next video. But take them out, line them up on your counter. You can line them up in your kitchen, wherever your diffuser is, line them up on your counter so that you can see them. Because you can see them, then you're more likely to use them. And so if you have kids or something like that with grabby hands and you're afraid that they may get wiped off the counter or something like that, put them in a little bowl, or like a little bowl will be fine, or you could put them on a little serving tray or not a butter bowl, but one of those little bread pans that comes up. It's like this size. You can put your oils in that. Like, that may keep them a little bit safe. So get them out so that you'll use them. Okay, that's step 1. Did you do that? If you haven't done that, pause the video and go do that. Okay. Step 2 is to set up your diffuser. Okay, you may have already gotten your kit in the mail and you've been playing around because you were so excited, but some people are afraid to set it up because they don't know quite what to do. Well, there's an instruction booklet inside, okay? This is the diffuser that I got whenever I got started 2 years ago, and this one only has 1 button, and so you fill to the red line with water. You put 4 drops of oil in it because it's a 4-hour diffuser, and then you can push it once to turn it on, twice to turn the light off, and then 3 times to turn it off. If you have another diffuser, the instructions are really clear and easy to follow. And basically, there's going to be a fill line, and so you'll want to fill to that line. And some of them have 2 buttons. The ones that have 2 buttons, typically the left side button is your on and off button. And so if you push it once, it turns it to like a 4-hour mode. If you push it twice, it'll be like an 8 to 10 hour mode, and if you push it 3 times, it'll be like a 12-hour mode, okay? Or an intermittent. Some of them have intermittent, where they'll blow for 30 seconds and then they're off for 30 seconds, and then they'll blow for 30 seconds and they're off for 30 seconds. If you're like me and you want to use your diffuser to help you support sleeping, then I suggest that you put it on that second one. And so the way that I will turn mine on is I'll turn the left button once to turn it on to the 4-hour. Then I'll go through the lights, which are the second button. And so the right side button, the second button, if you click it, it'll change the lights. And so I will turn all my lights off because I don't like sleeping with a night light. If you have kids and they want a night light, you can do that. There's a candle light feature, which is really awesome. But after I turn the lights off, I'll go back to the left side button and push it a second time. That way I know that it's on the 8-hour feature and will last all night so that I can sleep. Okay? And using the diffuser is how I was able to sleep for the first time in 12 years of being a mom. So I was really excited when I got my diffuser in. I suggest you put in lavender. Lavender will help you sleep if you struggle with that or your kids need some help with that. If you put lemon, lavender, and peppermint together in the diffuser, it like helps open up your airways so that you can breathe. And sometimes when the weather changes, I want to like claw my eye out. And that blend, lemon, lavender, and peppermint, is really good in the diffuser. Okay. Some others that may help you sleep are Stress Away or Peace and Calming, either of those. And you can actually put Stress Away and Citrus Fresh together, and that will help it smell like an orange creamsicle. Super awesome, right? So some of the ones that can help you sleep are lavender, Stress Away, and Peace and Calming. Okay. If you want some breathing support, you can put lemon, lavender, and peppermint in it together. If you like an orange creamsicle, you can do Stress Away and Citrus Fresh. Okay? Okay. How many drops you put in your diffuser is how many hours you want to run it for. So if you want to run it for 4 hours, you would put 4 drops. If you want to put it in 8 hours, you can do like 5 to 8 drops depending on how you feel. If we're doing blends like the lemon, lavender, and peppermint, and I'm going to run it for 8 hours, I may put 2 drops of each of those. And then it's only 6 drops, and it makes the oils go a little bit further, and you can still smell it really, really well. Okay. We do have different types of diffusers, so open up your product catalog and go to the different diffusers and see the different options there. Our diffusers are different than Amazon diffusers, and ones that you may get at the store. Our diffusers have military grade titanium, so they're going to last longer because our oils are so concentrated, and they're the best quality on the market because of our seed to seal process. If you put these oils into Amazon diffusers, you may notice that your Amazon diffuser doesn't last as long. The 3 Amazon diffusers that I've gotten before, when I used these oils, they all broke within 6 months. And so now I only have my Young Living diffusers in my house. And this one is my original one from 2 years ago and still hasn't broken. But all diffusers have a 1-year warranty on them, okay? And to clean it, you just take a rag and wipe it out. I will actually take my empty Ningxia bottles and fill those up with water and keep them beside my diffuser. And so I'll only wipe mine down with a clean rag and a Q-tip. I'll only do that like once a week. I like how the smells just sort of accumulate in the bottom of it, and it's really cool. But that's all about our diffusers, okay? So, first step is to get your oils out, line them up on the counter, put them in a jar, something where you can use them. Step 2 is to get out your diffuser and turn your diffuser on. Set it up, okay? Pick your blends, pick your oils, whatever you need support with, okay? We're all about empowering you to take charge of your family's health and wellness, okay? That's our job. And then step 3, while you have your product catalog out, I want you to go through and start imagining what you can switch and ditch to, okay? We're going to talk a little bit about that in the next couple of videos. But look at all those products. All of those products are fragrance-free, so they will support that healthy breathing that we talked about. They don't have chemicals in them. They're all natural plant-based products that are going to support your family's health and wellness. How cool is that? And there's over 600 different products, from makeup to pet products to kids and babies to nutritional wellness and liquid nutrition. Like, they basically got it all. And that's why I love this company. So go through the catalog. Just flip through it while you're sitting watching TV. Okay, look at what we got. And then the very last thing, your kit came with 2 of these Ningxia packets. I want you to take these Ningxia packets and you're going to throw them in the refrigerator. Okay, and then we'll take them out in the next couple of days, and they're best cold. I love mine, and so we'll talk about these a little bit more in the next couple of days. Sound good? Okay, if you are done with your day 1 homework, you need to tell me so that you'll be entered into your prize, okay? So if you complete the 10 days of basics with me, then I will send you a prize if you're on our team, okay? If you're on somebody else's team, you need to notify your upline so that they can send you a prize. Sound good? Okay, so if you have my number, because you're on my team, because I probably texted you a welcome, send me a text, say day 1 of 10 days of basics complete. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Or something like that. Okay? Okay. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.